don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to Amavenzo's TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Super Sport 0. I'm joined by Kolani from Sizok Choda. It's cock. I'm joined by Kolani from Sizok Choda. Right? Iliki apuma. Aye, okay. Exactly. Kolani I want drugs. Sometimes umanja Steve ne mangenge touch it up gaga cool games too, you know. I don't like this game too. Ngogyanga Pirates Steve Ngogyanga is not a development team. You know. We like ama players, young players. Yes. You know, but we can never compete when it comes to the league. Yes. You know, ngama young players. Yes. You know, we need experienced players. Yes. But otherwise, Steve, that's why I'm touching a cool Steve. I think it's out time good if you not teen Steve. Nyazi for no pega Steve. I think I'm getting chance because I could. Opezugam Steve.
Or Makeba.
Steve, is Steve.
Igamala mego Orlando Pirates. Ngiphuma eSoweto Orlando. Impilo yami yaqala mangiwini 10 million ku-MTN awuthiya. Ngigroove all night, ngishaya bomakizi, ngithatha league. Ngithi ngizoyithatha league, ngishaya ngayi7 awuthami. Ngiyawina ama points awuthami, ngirasa ngithi mina don't lose, we don't draw. Ngishaya ePretoria awuthami. Yazi inkinga iqale vasti. Inkinga iqale mawusale ngafuna ibonus yakhe awuthami. Ngathi ngiyaswipe la decline ikhathi. Ngathi okay akho grand iPSL yaniki 2.5 million monthly fee. Ngahamba ngayekhefa uthami ngavaya grand ngisiphethe ngithi kanti ingami la uthami. Inkinga yaqala mangithi ngithenga itikiti lokuflya ngiyekhe final. Umayele wayi decline uthami. Ngathi ngiyazama ubu Nedbank uthami. iChiefs yanscam yathatha 7 million yami uthami. Unzima uthami I blew it uthami. My message ukuthi bafethu empilweni ningakhulumi kakhulu ngoba one day izofika isikhathi sokuthi bazondihleka bafethu. I blew it uthami.
I blew a lot of money this year, money and cars and clothes.
Ngangena kuKhalin Cup uthami ngathi ngizoyithatha ngizophuza. Kanti izongishaya uthami ngaphuma kuKhalin Cup uthami. I blew it uthami.
Kibina sethi kicho richa yini yabona
Ikamala mu Orlando Pirates.
Steve.
Itali kupheka le manje ngene.
Yangipheka lena Steve. Bona ngifuna nokukhala Steve. Pirates ngiyithanda Steve ne. Akunankinga Steve. Siyithanda sisoke Steve. You understand? As focus Steve ku next season Steve. Train Steve. Yeah. Asekela abantu labo bangafuni or maybe sithola maybe afford ne kuya cave.
Yeah.
So that's why bafuna kuhlala number 4 or 5. Nethi survive top 8. Mara angazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngabani.
Uthebs.
Angisho next.
Mina ngithi uthebs.
Akayazi ngcono thina siyahlekwa ne. Ngcono siyahlekwa. Ngale ezansi kuyakhala.
yazi kumnandi bhekani thina kungcono siyahlekwa ezansi kuyakhalwa akuhlekwa lapha ku serious lento washo ubhubu wathi ifunani masende
athi Mageba ngiyazi uMageba awuthami ngicela umgayi chance Thibo asho ukuthi sivala kanjani Thibo
but no bombastic
mara ngabe usho ukuthi ngithengisa ama drugs Thibo
no ngifanele I want drugs Mageba rekwale fast almost 5 minutes
Thibo
man of the match Mageba
man of the match Dladla Thibo no wise Thibo goalkeeper of the season Thibo
already
Thibo
after one game
Thibo I think you can check Thibo I think he hasn't considered a goal Thibo yeah so yeah Thibo he hasn't considered Thibo so yeah better than Peterson Thibo yeah
Muchor why could just keep us sa Pirates.
Mchaka wa skipper sa Pirates
Thibo yeke le uyabanda Thibo
kuyabanda Thibo
kuyabanda ni
Thibo mamela abasketch futhi Saturday same place same time angazi
Tango Kok right ay I blew a lot of money this